experience. The cabin, number 2, was allotted to us. It was one of the best stays we've had so far in all family trips so far. The boys enjoyed the bunk beds. The miniature kitchen was amazing to meet your basic requirements. Overall, the stay was fantastic. Look forward to make more stays with Discovery Parks. Quiet cabin stay. The cabin was spacious, with a lounge and dining suite, just like in the photo. There was a big fridge which was good. The room was clean and the park was quiet. Staff were friendly with an easy check-in process. Solo stay. Was perfect for a 3-day stay. Was a solo traveler and got a cabin that could accommodate 6, so it was spacious with a deck you could smoke on if you smoke. The queen bed was super comfortable and felt new. It has aircon/heating, which I needed at the time because it was cold. The staff were friendly and the other park goers were all friendly. And it was priced better than lesser accommodation nearby. A pleasure to stay here. Our cabin was clean and very well presented. Little touches like a room deodorizer and the air conditioner being on made a great first impression. The receptionist was friendly and very helpful. We made use of the RSL Club courtesy bus and had a great meal at the club. I would definitely stay here again. Excellent choice. The unit we stayed in had everything we wanted and more. I paid more than I wanted to for an overnight stop, but it was clean and very quiet. Would definitely recommend it. Modern tidy cabin in nice location. Nice central location in Hervey Bay, easily accessible to all the beaches, shopping center, airport. Clean, modern, tidy cabin with all amenities.